Alright, so stage one of Longtrack Jack's Arctic Cat build that we're doing. Looks like we're gonna probably do a big bore on it and whatnot, but we gotta tear this thing down first. So let's go over to Farmer and see what we're doing as far as the tear down goes. What was that?
Sweet airbox parts in his reeds.
In his reeds?
In the reeds. I'm guessing they must have did a mod, and when they carved this stuff all out, a couple pieces got away from them, and these were in here.
Okay, pull those out of there now. You don't need to leave those in there.
Right? We got the motor out of the sled now. Next, what we're going to do is tear this thing down, and we're going to see what type of damage is done internally. Being it sat apart for a while, you can see there's a little bit of debris and stuff in the exhaust of the cylinders. We're going to tear it completely down all the way to the crank, make sure nothing made it all the way down there, and see what the condition of that is, because it's been apart for a while. And after that, we're going to look to do a big bore on this beast and get her ripping, turn her into a 900. In addition to doing the big bore, now that we got the motor out, after we get it all back together, we're going to be doing a full exhaust system in this sled. So it's going to be pretty sweet when we're done. And also when we take things apart, we kind of check things over. We also found a bent upright for the steering column, so we will be replacing this too. And one of the other components we'll be doing is the clutching, which is on this side of the sled. You see none of the clutches are on here right now. Jack actually needs us to send his primary out. We've got the secondary on the bench. Now it's time to rip this thing apart and see what we got.
All right, I'll leave you to it. What's going on with that one?
Crankshaft bearing is gone.
The crankshaft bearing is gone, huh?
Rod bearing, sorry, rod bearing.
Show me.
That baby's toast.
Yep.
All right, so I'm not really sure, but he said he got a lot of snow in it.
It sucked a bunch of snow, blew the top end up. It's been sitting for a while.
And I think, if I remember correctly, snow can mess up your crank, I think, right?
It can.
But
these
probably
particular
not.
models are known for bad crankshafts. This is a Gen 1 crankshaft in this motor, and these are kind of notorious for failing rod bearings. So I'm going to blame that. Oh, she's terrible.
All right, so that's day one in the bag. We tore apart Longtrack Jack's sled, and then we tore apart his engine. We found a couple more things wrong with it than were before, but we're gonna get those fixed up. We're gonna get another crank in there. We're gonna get a big bore on that, and then get it all put back together so that Jack can take his cat back out on the snow.